Shopping online is convenient, fast, and very often effortless for the consumer. Online shopping is the new reality of how we shop. At the same time, profitability of e-commerce companies is threatened by growing rate of returns. Returns are often labeled a plague of the e-commerce business. They surely matter for consumers, with over 40% of online purchases being returned. Let's have a look at the logistical process behind one-click shopping and why returns truly matter. Imagine a shopper buying 2 pairs of shoes on a website. The shoes travel in bulk from a central warehouse to a regional distribution center in Dubai, and then make an overnight connection to the final destination. Every border crossing means not only duties and fees, but also a quite complex and labor-intensive clearance process. And if the consumer decides to return a pair, they travel back, entailing another round of complex cross-border procedures and additional duties as they are seen as a fresh import into the country. Since multiple parties are involved in cross-border e-commerce, the solution lies in creating a shared, trusted platform. DHL Express, in collaboration with Dubai Customs and in consultation with leading e-commerce companies, developed a solution to digitize customs processes for e-commerce companies. The solution uses blockchain technology to store and validate transactions between e-commerce companies, customs, and DHL, providing a shared single version of truth. Here is an example of how this blockchain solution completely changes and revolutionizes the ex-border e-commerce process. Maha lives in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and places an order for a few designer bags at an online marketplace. Solution takes order details directly from e-commerce site and writes it to a shared ledger using a set of APIs. The courier company, DHL, is notified of the order and updates the manifest details for the same order on the blockchain. Export declaration related details are then stamped on the blockchain network from DHL's declaration system. The clearance status is updated by Dubai Customs Authority and automatically updated on the blockchain. When the goods are delivered, proof of delivery along with customer signature is recorded on the blockchain automatically from DHL systems using industry-standard APIs. With this new process, during an export, customs can easily identify and trust an e-commerce transaction since all the details are already validated and traceable on the blockchain. Maha unfortunately did not like one of the bags and thinks of returning it. The e-commerce company initiates the return and details are updated on the blockchain as an extension of the original export record. An import manifest and import declarations for the shipment are stamped on the blockchain from DHL's end. Once the item is received back in the warehouse, the receipt details are also available on the blockchain. For customs, the record is now fully traceable. They can identify and trust it's a legitimate e-commerce return and avoid charging duties again. This solves the problem of operational inefficiencies and multiple duties. There is no paper movement involved. All records are trusted, immutable, and tamper-proof, and the cost for all participants is significantly decreased, while the speed of transaction increased.